Prepare a sales budget, including a schedule of expected cash collection. We start with the most important thing for an organization, which is the sales. अगर sales होती हैं तो organization exist करती है, otherwise नहीं exist करती. बाकी सारे budget जो हैं वो sale budget जो है उसी से derive होते हैं. We have this information. Royal Company is preparing budget for the quarter ending June 30. Budgeted sales for the next 5 months are for April 20,000, May 50,000, June 30,000. And we don't need sales of July and August because we have to prepare a report for the quarter ending on June 30. So we need information for these 3 months only. Selling price is $10 per unit. So here is the data. Budgeted sales in unit for April, May, and June.
Whole quarter. So add all of these. So for whole quarter, we will be selling 100,000 units. And selling price for one unit is $10. Multiply both of these. We have 1 million sales for the quarter. These are our budgeted sales. So in April, we expect to sell $200,000, and in May our sales will be 500,000. In June it will be 300,000, and in total it will be 1 million. That is our sales. Next, we need cash information. How much cash we will get from these sales? So some of these sales will be credit sales, some will be the cash sales. So here is the information about the cash collection. All sales are on account. Royal's collection pattern is 70% collected in the month of sale. So if the sales are 200,000, 70% of this will be collected in April, and 25% will be collected in the next month, and 25% will be collected in May, and 5% is uncollectible, bad debts. The March 31st accounts receivable balance of 30,000 will be collected in full. So March 31st को हमारा जो बैलेंस था अकाउंट रिसीवेबल का वो 30,000 था, जो कि हम अप्रैल के अंदर कलेक्ट कर रहे हैं. सो अप्रैल के अंदर एक तो हमें अकाउंट रिसीवेबल रिसीव हो गया जो कि हमारा मार्च का आ रहा था. सो दीज आर अकाउंट रिसीवेबल एट द एंड ऑफ मार्च. व्हाट एल्स? उसके अलावा in April we have a sales of 200,000. So 70% of this 200,000 will be collected in April, and 25% will be collected in May. 5% will not be collected at all. For May, we had a sales of 500,000. 70% of this May sales will be collected in May, and 25% in June. और इसी तरह जून के अंदर हमारी सेल्स हैं 300,000. तो इस 300,000 का 70% जो है वो जून में आ जाएगा, और 25% जो है वो जुलाई में आएगा, क्योंकि हम जुलाई की कैलकुलेशन नहीं कर रहे, लिहाजा हम इसको यहाँ पे इग्नोर करते हैं. ठीक है. सो ये सारी इंफॉर्मेशन है जो कि कैश कलेक्ट होगी. So in whole quarter, we will be able to collect cash of 905,000. So remember that our sales were 1 million. So from 1 million, we are able to collect that much cash. And it also include some money from the March sales, and some money of the June will be collected in July. But in total quarter, we will sell goods of 1 million and we will collect cash of 0.9 million.